Welcome. Our topic today is knowledge refresher training related to company regulations. Our agendas today is 1. Working hours, 2. Entering and exiting, 3. Working attitude, 4. Parking policy, 5. Smoking area and policy, 6. Locker policy, 7. Disciplinary, 8. Misconduct, 9. Mobile phone, 10. Appearances, 11. Plant accidents, 12. Counterfeit product, 13. Termination of service, 14. Public holidays, 15. Leaves, 16. Medical claims, 17. In-house clinic, and 18. Reminder: our working hours are Monday to Friday, from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. All workers are expected to arrive by 7:45 a.m. and be ready at the workplace. The morning briefing will start at 7:50 a.m., led by the supervisor. During working hours, there should be no standby without tasks and no idle standing. Everyone is expected to stay productive at all times. Before knock-off time, please note that standby for washing hands is not allowed. Most importantly, all workers must be ready at the workplace before the official start of working hours. Lunch break, 12:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. Tea break for overtime, 6 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Before rest time, do not stand by early to wash hand. Do not collect meals at guardhouse before 12:30 p.m. and 6 p.m., only collect after siren ring. Example, 12 p.m. and 5 p.m. cannot collect meals, security will stop you. Entering and exiting factory. Employees all have to line up to leave the factory. Cutting the line is not allowed. Workers need to scan correctly until the yellow color comes out. If it's red, you need to scan again. Entering and exiting. Scan in or out whenever coming in or going out from company premises. Fail to do so will result in disciplinary actions, considered as absent. If fail to scan, must write down attendance record at guardhouse. No record will count as absent, away from company during working hours. Fill in worker movement form and get approval from HOD, then submit to security guard before scan out. Cost for replace lost ID card is RM20. An additional RM20 will be added on top of the previous replacement cost. Any emergency incident must be reported to the superior officer or HR before 10 a.m. on the same day. Working attitude. You should get ready for working at 8 a.m. sharp. Inform supervisor when leaving from workplace. Wearing ID card at all time. Attend training on time, and positive thinking. You should know the responsibilities of your position. Follow instruction of leader and supervisor. Follow company procedures and policy. Improve productivity and quality of products. Working attitude and behavior very important, and concentrate on job process instead of looking here and there. Parking. Park in correct parking area to avoid traffic block, and wear a reflective jacket to prevent unwanted accident at night. Smoking area. This is an area where smoking is permitted for employees, but only during breaks. Smoking policy. Smoking tobacco products or electronic cigarettes are not allowed in any part of the company premises, except in any restricted smoking areas designated by the company. Employees only allowed smoke in the designated smoking areas during the break times. This is to prevent fire case. This is to let no smokers to breathe clean air. Locker policy. Lockers are located at second floor of workers' entry guard house. Lockers are not transferable, workers are to use the assigned lockers only. Workers are responsible for the cleanliness of the locker at all times. No foods or drinks shall not be kept in lockers to prevent pests from being attracted to the lockers. No storage of any items that are illegal in nature, items that cause health hazards, physical danger or nuisance to the environment. No stickers, writing on lockers or any modifications to the locker exterior is allowed. Failure to comply with the Redwood locker policy will result in revoke of locker and/or disciplinary actions. Disciplinary. Minor misconduct. Careless or negligent work. Laziness, inefficiency or loitering during work hours. Eating in company premises except in approved areas. Bring food or drinks into factory. Bring or eat pan in company premises. Major or gross misconduct. May result in termination of employment. Absent working for more than 2 days in a row without approval or without informing the company, refuse to follow the orders of superior officers. Negligence at work. Damage property, image of the company or third party. Have received 3 warning letters. Misconduct. Among the misdemeanors are: absent from work, arrive late to work, spitting, wearing earphones, not keeping secrets or important things, violating safety instructions, illegal money loan, smoking, bringing liquor, sleep at work, forming or joining a strike, drunk, fighting, fake sick leave certificate, stealing, gambling, and use of illegal drugs. Warning letter will be issued to those misconduct employees. Mobile phone. During working hours, a mobile phone can be used only for work-related purposes only. Should not be used for during work hours. Surfing the internet and social media. Chatting for personal reason. Listening radio. Watch video or YouTube, or gaming. But emergency calls is allowed. It is forbidden to take any pictures or record videos and upload them on social media. Appearances. Dress code. Worker should wear Redwood uniform and safety shoes to work. No track suit or tear-up pants are allowed. Trim your hair regularly. Clean your hair daily. Ensure your hair is neat and tidy. Also, trim and clean your beard. Plant accident. Accidents in the workplace. All accident cases must inform to supervisor and safety team before visiting the doctor. Counterfeit product. At Redwood Furniture, we prohibit our staff from wearing or purchasing counterfeit products as a sign of respect for our clients. Termination of service. Worker with below 1 year service period must have 2 months of notice period, and workers with above 1 year and below 2 years of service period will have 1 month of notice period. Public holidays. There are 12 public holidays that must be notified to employees, namely: Chinese New Year Festival, 2 days, Birthday of the Sultan of Johor, 1 day, His Majesty the King's Birthday, 1 day, National Day, 1 day, Hari Raya Puasa, 2 days, Malaysia Day, 1 day, Deepavali Day, 1 day, Hajj Holiday, 1 day, and Christmas, 1 day. Next, let's look at annual leave. Annual leave entitlement depends on your service years. If you have less than 2 years, you are entitled to 8 days. For 2 to 5 years, it is 12 days, and for 5 years and above, you will receive 16 days. Please note that only confirmed workers are entitled to annual leave. Leave will be calculated on a prorated basis according to your monthly entitlement. You are allowed to bring forward unused leave, but only up to a maximum of 2 days to the next year. These carried forward days must be used before the 31st of March of the following year. Lastly, all annual leave must be applied at least 3 days in advance and approved by your supervisor. Next, let's review our policy for sick and hospitalization leave. First, your sick leave entitlement depends on your years of service. If you have been here for less than 2 years, you get 14 days. Between 2 and 5 years, you get 18 days. And for 5 years or more, you receive 22 days. In addition to sick leave, you are entitled to 60 days of hospitalization leave, which is separate from your standard sick leave. Please note 2 important requirements for hospitalization leave. Your medical certificate, MC, must clearly state hospitalization. You must submit it to HR by 10 a.m. on your first day of leave. You can obtain a valid MC from the following sources: panel clinics. Please refer to the specific panel list. Our in-house clinic, government hospitals or clinics, dental clinics, specialists, though this depends on the specific case, and traditional Chinese medical treatment. Please ensure you visit one of these recognized providers to ensure your leave is valid. Marriage leave policy. Employees are entitled to 3 working days of leave for their first legal marriage. This benefit is only available to confirmed staff. HR must be informed in advance. A copy of the marriage certificate must be submitted to HR after the event. Compassionate leave policy. Employees are entitled to 3 working days of leave in the event of the death of a spouse, child, parent, mother-in-law, or father-in-law. Employees are entitled to 2 working days of leave in the event of the death of a grandparent or sibling. This leave is only available to staff with confirmed positions. A maximum of 6 working days of compassionate leave is allowed in the annual calendar. A copy of the death certificate must be submitted to HR after the funeral. Paternity leave policy. Circumstances: paternity, entitlement, 7 days, 1 day if employed for less than 1 year. A copy of the birth certificate must be submitted to HR after the event. Medical claims policy. Confirmed employees are entitled to up to Rm 500 in medical claims per year. The amount of medical claims is prorated for new employees. Medical fees can be claimed when visiting panel clinic. Refer to the panel list. In-house clinic, government hospital or clinic. Any exceeding medical charges will be deducted from salary. The medical benefit is only applicable for normal sickness. Mental illness, optical charges, and injuries arising from illegal sports or fighting are not included. In-house clinic operation. The clinic operates Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Please request a medical chit from your supervisor or HR before visiting the in-house clinic. Reminder: toilet cleanliness. Let's all do our part to maintain a clean and hygienic environment. Please ensure the toilets are kept tidy and report any issues to the facilities team. Thank you for your cooperation. Cleanliness of drinking water stations. Let's ensure that our drinking water stations remain clean and hygienic. Please keep the area tidy and report any issues to the facilities team. Your cooperation is appreciated. All workers are not permitted to leave the workplace early. Work can only stop at 6 p.m. Please refer to the provided example for clarity. Filling water. Workers can fill drinking water during break time. Do not leave water bottles at the water dispenser area. Maintaining workplace cleanliness. Please ensure that your work area is kept clean and tidy at all times. Report any cleanliness issues to the facilities team promptly. Your cooperation is appreciated. Elevator use. The management elevator is for staff and client use only. Thank you for your attention. Please remember to adhere to all company rules and regulations to maintain a respectful and compliant workplace. Your cooperation is highly valued.